I have here a pot of Singapore noodles, steamed Singapore noodles. The stock is made of soya bean which I boiled to do some other things, and I save the concentrate soya bean water in the fridge, and I use that as my stock base by frying with some fresh garlic and some ginger in olive oil in the pan. Then I added these onions too. Can you see? The big onion, brown onion, and then I added the soup and some water. And here is already a cooked fish cakes which I sliced, and I added in everything. And this noodle is steamed noodles, which means it has been steamed, so it takes a very short while to boil up. So this is a very quick, convenient food that you can cook. And this here is fresh English spinach, which you can eat raw. I'm just going to throw it in because it will just shrivel up and cook in a minute. This is fresh organic basil, optional, but it's very nice and very fragrant. And all I did was added a little bit of vegetable stock powder and lots of pepper, white pepper. So I'm just going to bring everything to a full boil. If you want it to be more liquid, or in the soup, you can add more water, but you got to taste your broth to see whether you need soy sauce or other seasoning. So simple. So bring it to a big boil and add your greens. You can also add shallots if you like, but I'm just going to use English spinach, and there was onions in here. So just to cook the noodles a little bit longer, and I taste it to see if I need any more seasoning. This is how I taste my food. It's very nice. I still love my soy sauce, so I just add in some nice soy sauce, or you can serve this soy sauce with cut red chilies, hot chilies on the table. You can cook this, right? It's very, very simple. Close your eyes and you can cook it. True. Fun. Cooking is just fun. Just make sure everything is well boiled. Everything is done. It's just boiling it up. That's it. As I said before, if you can boil water, I can teach you how to cook wonderful meals. Wonderful, very tasty meals. So, I don't want to waste time asking you to watch the same dish when you already know how it's going to end up. Let come to a full boil, stir properly, add in your English spinach, which can be eaten raw. Top up with your basil and serve in your bowl or platter or whatever. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please like it. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Bye for now.